Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the dust bag from the Eureka Forbes vacuum cleaner X1. So first of all we have to remove this hose from this by twisting it, and after that we have to open this lid by pressing this button. Okay, after that what we have to do, this is the dust bag, and now we have to, and these are the locks, we have to pull it over slightly gently from this, and it is removed. And you can see now you can empty it by removing this plastic knob by sliding it. Okay, after that you can put it back into the space, and you can plug it back by entering the plastic of this bag into this cavity and gently slide it down, and now it is fixed. And then what we have to do, shut it down gently. Now shut it down gently into it and plug it back. That's for today. Thanks for watching this video.